It's the last day for you to get the rapper shortcut. What are you doing? Last chance. At least click this video and go check out what I'm talking about. If you haven't checked this out yet, you're crazy. Over 100 masterclasses, over $110,000 in value. We've gotten artists label deals. We've gotten artists big distribution deals. We've helped artists go from 30,000 listeners a year on their Spotify to... This is what this does. If you want to be a music artist, this is the play. Click this video. It's gonna be gone. Go get your hands on this. Click this video now before it's too late. At least go check it out. What's it hurt to look? I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. There's a reason why we have over 25 million views and a reason why we were able to change the entire music industry, helping artists just like you. Click this video, go check out the rapper shortcut before it's gone.
Level. Ooh, I would've thought by now that I'd be way past these days. By now that my top be down on my brand new black Mercedes. Thought I would've made it by now. 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 Working 9 to 5, saving to survive. Pay the bills.